I don't always want to have my phone with me, and this is so cool just to grab. Rivian gives you so many ways to unlock your Rivian, and one of them is the card, right? You've got the card, you have your phone, and both of those work really well. Originally, they were giving out the Carabiner, but for V2, or Gen 2, I should say, but they do sell it now in the gear store, and mine just arrived, and we're going to install it and see how it works. Let's first open the box and see what it comes with. In the box, you open it up. Gives you the instructions here. Here's the Carabiner. Cool. It's a rubberized plastic with buttons. Yep, physical buttons. The battery's not in it yet. So 4 buttons. You have lock, unlock, and since I have the R1T, you can open up the frunk, and you can also pull open down. How does that say? Open up? Or the bed. So you just double tap. And here they give you instructions on installing it. So let me do that now. And it's very well made. So here it's kind of locked. You push this button, physical button, and you have to pull it up. This will rotate around, and then you could just recapture it there, and it stays locked unless you push this button. And the way that works, you could see there's a little lip right there. And that, with that little hook, allow it to be secure. So that's nice. And then to get the battery in, we're gonna kind of get that out of the way. And you can see here, you just pry this guy open. Remember when you used to use coins or would have coins? I'm gonna just use a spoon. I don't want to scratch anything. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so it's got the little hooks there that go around there. And I'm assuming the similar items down. Oh yeah, okay, cool. There's just one down below, 2 at the top. So when you undo it, just pay attention to that. And obviously this is gonna go a particular way. So it shows you on the box, there's a plus minus on the top. Whoa, that is thick. That is not the usual coin battery you see. Fascinating. So plus minus on top, that's honking. That's a CR 2477 3 volt, for those of you interested. So that feels like that's gonna last a while. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy in here. Okay, let that push down in there, and then we're gonna put this back. So first I'm gonna tuck in the bottom portion, hold it down, bottom first, hold it down, and then you're gonna squeeze that guy down. There we go, that's the way you do it. Now it's nice and tight and sealed. So now let's scan the QR code and see what the heck's going on. So let's set up your key fob. If you have multiple, you'll have to set them up one at a time. All right, put the battery in. I already did that. Clearly I didn't read. Oh, by the way, they did show on that using a quarter. So a quarter or a spoon both work. Preparing the key, this may take a minute. Okay, I'm not near the Rivian, so the Rivian's in the garage. Wow, okay. That's kind of interesting. Almost done. Your vehicle needs to connect to the internet before the key fob will be ready to use. Continue. Your key fob can now unlock your vehicle. Tap. Whoa, yep, that worked. Okay, even if the key fob, oh, that's cool. Your key fob with the tap, even if the battery is dead. Great news. Now we are in the garage. Here's the Carabiner, and it should be ready to go. So I can just grab this, and I'm gonna click unlock. I think I have to hit it twice. Yeah, that unlocked the vehicle. So I'm gonna walk over to it now. I'm gonna get into this. And now, nice. So, yeah, it's letting me move the car. And I don't have to have it. You know how there's the sensor in the middle here in the dock? I'll have to show you later, but I don't need the key there. So you could effectively put this on a belt loop or a keychain like you need that. I'm gonna set it down in the center console. Now I'm gonna hit the old reverse here. Yep, so far so good. We're able to move the vehicle, and I just have the Carabiner. That's all I have right now. The phone is over there so you can see me. I'm backing up. And we are liberated right now, free to fly. That is so cool. So if you just wanted to run to the hardware store, I mean, I know everybody brings their phone, but it's kind of cool. Like I could just keep the phone in the car even. I don't know. Just trying to think of what options. But I like that this little guy, you go on a hike, you don't always have to have your phone turned on. So we're gonna park this guy. And now I'll show you when we lock it. So I'm gonna get out here. So I did this part. The door handles are the way they are. They're open, right? It's open right now. So we're gonna hit this and you should kick in the Christmas theme locking it. Double click. Yeah, that worked. Now we're gonna unlock it. Now I'm gonna try clicking just once. Oh yeah, that worked. Now we're gonna lock it just once. Yeah. Okay, so just a single button on both. Now you double tap for the, and this makes sense because you don't want to accidentally do that. Let's open the front, double tap. Do it again, double tap. There we go. That worked. Double tap. I'm gonna shut it. Now the interesting thing is you want to be careful. Personally, this one scares me when you open the tailgate, because if you have it in the garage or somebody double taps it in your house, that sucker's gonna go flying back and you don't want it to get jacked up on the garage door. But let's see what happens. Let me pause the video and walk over. All right, walking out here, you're gonna see. So this is the thing where you don't want to play with this or have any kids play with it, because this could be a problem when this thing flies open. I actually told Rivian too, they should trigger in the sensors so when you double click to open this thing, that it checks the sensors first to make sure there's nothing there before it pops open. But we're gonna double click. Yeah, see? So that's happening, and there's no way to double tap and pull that thing back. Obviously, it's just not in the design. But the front works well. So overall, everything works nicely. I'm super happy. And let's see what happens here. So currently it's locked, even though I unlocked that other thing. Let's see what happens when we click this guy. Yeah. So I guess it's not technically locked. Yeah. Here, I just wanted to show you double tap. That's what it is. Now we're gonna open this bad boy up. So here it even shows you the battery level of the key fob. The key fob can be anywhere in the vehicle. It doesn't have to be resting here on the charger. I had it down there earlier, where you can just hang on to it and put it in your pocket. Everything just works as normal. So it is so nice to have this cool little feature and have that as an option for when you are going for a hike or skiing or something cool, adventuring, whatever it is. That is the new Rivian Gen 2 Carabiner. See ya.